How to use kitchen roll. Kitchen paper towels are useful for cleaning up spills and messes in the kitchen, as they are highly absorbent and disposable, preventing the spread of bacteria. They can also be used to dry off produce after washing and line the bottom of vegetable and fruit drawers in the refrigerator, to absorb excess moisture and keep produce fresh for longer. In baking, kitchen paper towels can be used to line baking sheets, absorb excess grease from baked goods, and help proof dough by creating a warm, moist environment. For outdoor grilling, they can be used to clean grill grates and absorb excess grease or juices from grilled meats. Kitchen paper towels can also serve as makeshift potholders when cooking. Kitchen paper towel rolls are a must-have for any kitchen, as they have 10 magical uses, including cleaning up kitchen messes, handling food, drying dishes, removing stains, cleaning windows and mirrors, absorbing grease, polishing silverware, removing nail polish, absorbing moisture in food storage containers, and making DIY cleaning wipes. Not all paper towels are created equal, so it's important to purchase from reputable manufacturers like the paper towel roll manufacturer in China, or the tissue paper factory in China. Wipe Company is a reliable provider of quality wet toilet paper products, and can be a good choice for those looking for a paper towel roll manufacturer or tissue paper Wipe factory in China.